Recently, on a Sunday morning at 6 a.m., right as we were coming in to open our doors, we noticed that we had a large truck pulling in. It was a Dodge Ram 4500. It had a 40-foot trailer on it, and it was very well secured, had locks on all the cargo compartments. And as soon as we rolled in, a gentleman hopped up and he told us, "Hey, I've got a problem with it. I'm a military contractor. There's a piece of an F-16 that is on this trailer, and this needs to be in Nevada in the desert in 24 hours, no matter what. It doesn't matter how it gets there. Even if we got to tow the whole thing there, it has to get there." Well, the dealerships were closed. They didn't have another truck. The rental agencies didn't have something big enough for them. The military wasn't going to let them vendor it to a different hotshot contractor. They were pretty well stuck. That's why there's Saul's Autotek. We did the same job that we just talked to you about on a big old Ford, on their big old Dodge. We had to pull an engine in order to replace an oil pan gasket. Whole truck comes apart, everything in pieces, and they'd been told nothing because nobody even answered the phone for them. So by Monday morning, when they were getting the phone call back from the Ford dealership, the guys who made the truck, who make their commercials about America being strong, we'd already fixed that truck and had it back to the military. Now, if you ever wonder how secure that equipment is and how well our facility's handled, I'll never forget getting the text message from a lieutenant commander saying, "No worries about our piece of equipment. We can see it from the satellite in the sky. Nice shot. Thanks for taking care of us." So if you've got concerns about yours, whether you work for the military and you need your F-16 parts to get where they need to be as fast as possible, or you just need grandma to get where she needs to be for water aerobics, we can take care of you. We're going to take care of your car like it's the military's every time. Every car that comes in, I treat it like it's my mom's. We'll take care of yours the same way.